Alright, so today we're going to discuss something that was brought to my attention yesterday by a client as they were trying to set up an email signature for their work email, for their company email through Gmail. And I realized that's something that a lot of people aren't familiar with or have never done on their own. So this is a real simple, quick tutorial on how to get that done. So if you're in your Gmail account, right now if we were to compose an email, we click compose. It brings up all the necessary fields, the from, the to, the subject, and our body. In our body, we should see a signature if we had one set up, but right now, all our emails would just go out plain. No signature, no contact information, no web address, no company logo. So we're going to fix that right now. So let's close out this draft. So in your inbox, you want to go to the top right hand corner to the gear icon and click on settings. Go down to the settings button. You're going to get several tabs across the top here. We're going to stay in the general tab right now. So now you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. You want to stop here when you get to the row identified as signature. So right now we have two options, no signature and essentially signature. And then it allows you to pick which email account you want this signature to be for. So I want to create a signature for everything that goes out under the info@pixelland.net email address. So now that that's selected, I have this box down here which allows us to design that email signature, and it gives you some simple tools to do so, the same tools you would see in any program like Photoshop, Illustrator, or even Microsoft Word or Publisher. So now we're going to essentially design the email signature that would show up at the very bottom of any email that goes out from this particular address. So I'm going to add the first thing, which is the company name, Pixelland Media Group. Alright, now I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to put my name so they know who this email is coming from, specifically Michael J. Walton. Now I'm going to drop down one more time, hit enter. And I like to use the abbreviation E for email address, info@pixelland.net. Now I'm going to hit enter again, hit W for website. I'm going to put in our web URL, which is www.pixelland.net. Yep. Right, from here I'm going to drop down one more time and I'm going to put the company phone number in, which is 762-233-1655. Now at this point I'm going to drop down one more level, hit enter once, and I want the company logo to show up on every email that I send out to make it a little more branded, keep it more professional. So across the top here I have several options. Text size, I can make text bold, italicized, I can underline text, I can change the text color, or create a link. But if you go one more over, you have the insert image icon, which is what we're going to click on now. It brings up several options as far as how we can insert that image. In this case, we're going to go to upload, and we're going to select an image that exists on this computer. So add a file from your device. Click on that. Navigate to the desktop where I have this image saved. Click on the image that we want to use as our company logo on the bottom of our signature and click open. Give it a second. And then inserts that image full size into our signature. So right now we can tell that it's obviously too big for this signature. When you click on the image itself, you have 5 options: remove, display it as its original size, display it as large, display it as medium, or display it as small. So original size is what we have displayed right now: large, medium, and small. And of course you choose the one that works best for you visually in your signature. In this case I'm going to use medium. I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to go back in and just change the font color and formatting of some of this information up top. I'm going to use a lighter gray for this information here, my name, email address, website, and phone number. And I'm going to use a slightly darker gray and not a black for the company name. I'm going to make that company name bold just to give a little visual separation. And I'm also going to use a slightly darker gray for my name. So there you have it. Before we do anything else, we still need to scroll down here. These changes are not saved automatically. So once you're happy with the look of your email signature, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This should take you back to your inbox. Now we go to create a new email and hit Compose. It should automatically populate that email signature we just designed into every new email that we go to compose. Hopefully that helps, and we'll see you next time.